There's an opportunity for individuals ages 62 and older to register to be placed on the housing waiting list. There are 4 properties that will become available, and the registration opens July 10th at 8 a.m. through July 16th at 11:59 p.m. Well, the 4 properties, some of them are brand new, other properties are recently renovated. The properties are senior properties, so they have programming that is geared towards seniors. Demand is very high. The waiting lists are very lengthy, and through the randomization process, everyone has an equal opportunity to be selected. Once on the waiting list, all applicants will be screened and found eligible based upon their income level, household size, and age. We do this because we want our older residents who help to build these communities to be able to stay in these communities.